ran out of daylight.
Yeah, just enough daylight, just enough paper, tar paper, just enough wood.
But you can't see, but we've got everything weathered in. We've got felt paper on the roof and it'll be dry. Today's Sunday, a day off. We're not doing our usual work. Matt, what are we doing today?
We're building a smokehouse.
We're building a smokehouse. So, 5x8 cold smoke house that we're going to be building. These are basically our bottom plates. And the walls are going to rest up on this. It's going to be super rustic. You know, the only way it could be up here in Alaska, and if we're building it right.
That's right. There's no other way to do it.
So Will and I are finally, it's a Sunday fun day, little fun project. We're gonna continue working on the smokehouse. Oh, there's laundry drying right there. Fantastic. So these are all scraps from our first cuts on the sawmill, and we're making the corner boards to the smokehouse. That's the next step to the smokehouse. Using up our first cuts and basically switching out. You do a first cut on the outside and then first cuts on the inside, and you just kind of switch back and forth and back and forth. And that's going to be the walls. Doing a really long rafter tails, so then we've got an overhang for firewood, but got the walls done. Got the gables cut in, and next step is to cut in a door, frame out a door, and cut in a door, which is gonna go right there. So that's gonna be our smokehouse. I might cut those rafter tails back just a little bit once everything's done to make it proportional, but that's our smokehouse. And it's gonna have two chambers. It's gonna have a cold smoke chamber and a hot smoke chamber. Well, today we're gonna try salmon strips, smoke them, like the natives do here in Alaska. I hope this works. Well, we couldn't finish the smoker. I couldn't wait. I just fired her up. This is gonna be our first little attempt. It's definitely smoking. It's not done yet, but we're gonna give this a try. Oh man, look. We got salmon bellies. Oh yeah, it's full. Oh, that's a beautiful sight. Alright, so our first batch is approaching day 2. We're really drying it out. We're making it like jerky. So that batch in the back, I believe we're coming up on 48 hours, and then this one, we're coming up on 12? No. That one's 24 hours. This one's 12. And then we just caught another 12 fish that we're gonna put in. Oh, and then the salmon belly. is I put this cover on so it doesn't get as much air. And it kind of smolders a little better. We ran to Anchorage the other week, and one of the things we scooped up was cedar shake for our smokehouse. We got one side done, we still got to do the other side. A little short, but we'll pick up a little bit more material next time we're in Anchorage. That is one good looking smokehouse. What are you doing? Oh.
This smokehouse has a nice rack on it.
Sure are. Look at that. What are these, Tim?
Resurrection Bay in Salmon, Alaska.
Wow. So what is this that you're doing here? It looks like they're
These are
little spaghetti strips or something.
basically you fillet and then you cut strips. Cold smoke. We have a batch inside a smoker. It's been going for a little over a day. And we want to get a good glaze on it, so we're just going to keep smoking it back up. The batch gets in there. And add this one. So far we tried it. We did a taste test yesterday and it was delicious. Is a little. I want it a little bit more dried out.
These are some
than
big,
what it was.
some big fillets, huh?
There were some monsters last night. We got some big ones.
There's a little bit of a bend to them already.
That's it. We got them up there.
So what type of wood is this, Tim?
I'm using alder just because we have so much of it.
Is that good for smoking, or is it just what we have?
That's what we have, but that's what people say works. So the flames don't get up that high.
So it's ready for the smoke, and then that's pretty neat. Thanks for showing me around, Tim.
Couldn't do it without you.
Teamwork makes the dreams work.
Oh, I love spending time inside the smoker.
That's a beauty.
Cool. Look at all this wonderful, wonderful bounty.